Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel, you guys. So before we get into today's video, I do want to come and let you guys know about my new electric heater, you guys. So the company that reached out and sent this heater over to me is called Ford. Hope I'm saying their name correctly. They are an Amazon-based store. So what I'm doing now is just showing you guys how the box came, all the details that came on the outside of the box, and it does tell you guys everything that this electric heater has to offer. So right now I'm just showing you guys that it did come with a user manual. It comes with a remote, and it comes with the wall mounting tools that you guys would need to mount this on your wall in your home or outside of your home as well, you guys. So this electric heater also offers overheat protection. It's also waterproof.
Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Alright, 'cause I'm freer than I've ever been before.
So right now I'm just showing you guys basically how the remotes work with this electric heater. Okay guys, so for the most part, I actually love this heater. You can put this on the inside of your home, on the outside of your home, anywhere you choose. So I'm definitely going to leave all the company's information in my description. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So today, y'all, I am going to be cleaning up my house just a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with in a minute, but gotta fold some clothes, clean up a little bit. I'm going to be braiding the girls' hair. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing that today because my plate is full already. I need to wash some clothes and all of that good stuff, y'all. So anywho, like I said, I just wanted to come and get this video started for y'all. Welcome to another vlog, another day in the life, you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos, my content, and things like that, because your girl has been trying to push it out for you guys. So anyway, like I said, I'm going to show you guys an overview of everything that I have going on. So yeah. All right, y'all. So this is everything I have going on. I have to fold these clothes, get all this stuff together, vacuum clean this rug, sweep, fix my pillows, and y'all, let me show y'all what my pillows are doing. If you remember, I got these pillows last year, right? So this one is good. This one looks whole. This one is fine, right? So let's go ahead over here to this one. And look at this pillow, you guys. Look at this pillow. Look at the screen. Don't ever buy this pillow, ever. Look at this. Look at this hot mess, y'all. Seams is like busting loose. Mind you, I just took these out of the barn, y'all. Out of storage. And I haven't even had them out for long. Look at this. This don't even make no sense. I don't want to put how much these pillows cost. I think I got these from Ross, I think, last year. I don't remember, but anyway, I'll put the video in the description box for you guys. But this is ridiculous. Yeah, but this is everything that I gotta do is sanitize my couches, you guys. I already know I like to do that. Yeah. For the most part, this is what I have to do in here. I need to go change my cover, you know, in my bedroom, pillowcases and stuff. So yeah, let's show you guys all that good stuff. All right, y'all, so I'm going to be starting with folding up these clothes, getting this off of my couch where I can see my couch and everything is clear out of the way. So that's what I'm going to be doing first, y'all.
If I say goodbye, then make me alive, make me alive. My heart's heating up. 'Cause even though it feels so wrong, I know we were right all along. And even when I sing this song, I know we were right all along. Keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is useless. Useless, useless. Come on and choose this, choose this. If I said goodbye, then make me a liar, make me a liar. My heart's heating up, this love is on fire, love is on fire. There's nothing left to say, and nothing you could do. There is no other way when it comes to the truth. So keep moving on, you know you'll make it through. I've suffered, I'm done waiting here for you.
So my kids actually do such a great job with helping me clean when it's time to clean. Once I'm in my cleaning mode, they already know, like, let's get out of her way and help her out because we don't want the problems, okay?
There's no other way when
Y'all, so I hope that you guys are enjoying my content on my channel. I wanted to push this out for you guys because I know this needed to be done this day, and I had so much stuff to do. Y'all just don't even understand. Your girl was super, super busy, okay? Super busy.
to the truth. So keep moving on, you know you'll make it through. I've suffered, I'm done waiting here for you. Waiting here for you.
Y'all, it's so crazy to me how, as people in general, as mothers, you get this burst of energy and you just get into the mode where you just want to clean. I'm not sure, but I'm always into that mode sometimes where I just want to clean my house, just want to clean. And I'm just not sure if that's only me, but comment below, y'all. Let me know if you get bursts of energy where you just want to clean up your home. And let me know how you guys are doing as well. So right now I am going to be doing some laundry. Much needed laundry, y'all. With us being a family of 10, I find myself probably washing 3 times a day. Seriously, y'all, I probably wash 3 times a day, probably more. I like to do that because I hate when my clothes stack up. Like I said, we are a family of 10. It's so much so many of us, so I like to keep ahead of it.
I know I can be unkind, but you're not always understanding. I like to take my time.
Y'all, so this day, baby Cairo was my timer. As you guys can see, he's over there sleeping content. I was trying to hurry up before he woke up and was ready to feed again. But thankfully, I was able to get all my work done and then some, okay?
Rather keep on pretending. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. But just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine. 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 I know that I have grown jaded, and we could lament over losing the days of our youth. Memories faded. The years we look forward to might be over soon. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. Just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. Just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine. 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 Make you
All right, y'all, so I am done. I did my room. I didn't show you guys everything that I done in here, but I am completely done. So yeah, I'm done cleaning my bathroom. The clothes in the dryer are just now going off again, so I need to go fold more clothes. But I just wanted to come in this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got some type of motivation, some type of cleaning motivation in this video, folding motivation, anything out of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, you guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Y'all see Cairo? Y'all see baby Cairo over there? Oh, well, it won't. Oh, there we go. Baby Cairo. Y'all see baby Cairo? It won't really focus on him, but look at my baby. Look at my baby. All right, y'all. Catch you in the next one. Peace.